My next theorem is one of my favorite theorems, the Isosceles Triangle Theorem. I love this one because we use it so much, and we're going to be using this theorem a lot when it comes to our triangle proofs. This is a two-part theorem, so it comes together in pairs, travels in pairs. So what this theorem says is if two sides of a triangle are congruent, then the angles opposite those sides, known as the base angles, are also congruent. Okay, so let's put some symbols to this. So in this picture here, we know that AC is congruent to AB. So if AC is congruent to AB, then what I conclude is that angle B is going to be congruent to angle C. So these are my base angles. They're opposite of the congruent sides. Okay, so why is this also, like I said, it's a two-part theorem. So we could go the other way with it. Let's say that we know that they give us that angle B and C are congruent. So if angle B is congruent to angle C, then I know that side AB has to be congruent to side AC. So like I said, I love this theorem because it's a two-part theorem, and we're going to be using this theorem a lot when it comes to the triangle proofs. So that is the Isosceles Triangle Theorem. Says that if I have two sides congruent in a triangle, then my base angles are also congruent. Or if I have base angles that are congruent, then the sides opposite are also going to be congruent.